alaikum. Good evening, my petal flowers. Glad to see you in smiling. It's my prayer may you live. So, dear students, today I have to teach people preposition. The word pre means before and the word position means place, and preposition is the part of speech which is used before the position and show the relationship between noun and pronoun. Suppose I say I am going to school. In this example, to is our preposition because it is being used before the position and showing the relationship between noun and pronoun. Over here, school is our noun and I is our pronoun, and to is showing the relationship between them. And preposition has got some 5 types. The first one is simple preposition, the second one is double preposition, the third one is compound preposition, the fourth one is participle preposition, and the last one is phrase preposition. I accept that you have kept my topic in your minds. If we were alive, we'll meet inshallah. Till then, Allah.
To become combined once again, and what you people wanted your heart wishes to become complete. So my dear students, today I am going to train you about preposition. Dear students, the word pre means before and the word position means place. Dear students, preposition is a word, a group of words which used before a noun or pronoun to show the position. For example, she is coming from Karachi. Dear students, here from is our preposition. Dear students, we have 5 types of preposition. Simple preposition, double preposition, phrase preposition, compound preposition, and the last one is participle. Dear students, simple preposition is very easy. Those prepositions which are simple and singular, there is no any enlargement between them, has known as simple. For example, she is in the class. Here our in is simple preposition. Dear students, I hope you people got my today's lecture. Next lecture in next class. Till then, take care.